How many operational aircraft carriers does the U.S. Navy have? At present time, June 24, 2019, there are 10 aircraft carriers on active status in the U.S. Navy, all of which are the Nimitz class, CVN-68 Nimitz, presently stationed at NB Kitsap, Bremerton, Washington. CVN-69 Dwight D. Eisenhower, presently stationed at NS Norfolk, Norfolk, Virginia. CVN-70 Carl Vinson, presently stationed at NAS North Island, San Diego, California. CVN-71 Theodore Roosevelt, presently stationed at NAS North Island, San Diego, California. CVN-72 Abraham Lincoln, presently stationed at NS Norfolk, Norfolk, Virginia. CVN-73 George Washington, presently stationed at NS Norfolk, Norfolk, Virginia. CVN-74 John C. Stennis, presently stationed at NB Kitsap, Bremerton, Washington. CVN-75 Harry Truman, presently stationed at NS Norfolk, Norfolk, Virginia. CVN-76 Ronald Reagan, presently stationed at NB Yokosuka, Yokosuka, Japan. CVN-77 George H.W. Bush, presently stationed at NS Norfolk, Norfolk, Virginia. The 11th carrier, CVN-78 Gerald R. Ford, the lead ship of its class, was commissioned on July 22, 2017. However, it is not expected to go on its first deployment until around 2020, and hence still considered not in active status. The Ford will be followed CVN-79 John F. Kennedy and CVN-80 Enterprise, both of which are now under construction. Note: the Wasp class and the America class amphibious assault ships can be considered as aircraft carriers because they do carry an assortment of fixed-wing, AV-8B or F-35B, and rotary-wing aircraft. In addition, their size is comparable with other nations' aircraft carriers.